Which of the following is mentioned in the passage about déjà vu? Déjà vu is sufficiently explained after Cleary's experiment. Now the passage mentions Cleary's experiment and its conclusion, but it doesn't say whether déjà vu is sufficiently explained after the experiment. There is no such reference in the passage, so this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice B, déjà vu lacked any scientific experimentation before Cleary's experiment. The passage mentions that Cleary's experiment is recent, but it doesn't mention anything about any prior experimentation with déjà vu. There is no such reference in the passage. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice C, déjà vu demonstrates a link between recollection-based recognition and familiarity-based recognition. Now, at the end of the second paragraph, the passage talks about recollection-based recognition and familiarity-based recognition, but the passage makes no link between the two types of recognition. All that the passage does is that it establishes some likely link between déjà vu and familiarity-based recognition. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice D, déjà vu occurs more frequently than previously believed. The passage makes no reference to the frequency with which déjà vu occurs. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice E is probably associated with how human memory is organized. If you look at the second paragraph, it is mentioned that Cleary believes that the experiment indicates a link between déjà vu and recognition memory. And in particular, it says that déjà vu is likely linked to a particular type of recognition, which is familiarity-based recognition. So yes, the passage mentions that déjà vu is probably associated with how human memory is organized. Please note that the keyword here is probably, which aligns with the word likely here. So answer choice E is the correct answer.